Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. There are a lot of questions related to Ripple and XRP, especially related to when is this lawsuit going to end. Now, we have had many videos and a lot of people talking about in the past saying that, hey, these are the specific dates. Well, we now have an official confirmation from Ripple on when they think this lawsuit is going to end. Not only that, in this video, we'll be talking about something massive, and that is SEC themselves think that they don't really have a big chance of winning this lawsuit, basically saying that there is a very high likely chance that Ripple can win this lawsuit. In fact, this has become such a huge thing that in the last couple of days we have massive rumors going on that Ripple has already settled with the SEC. That sounds a bit crazy. A lot of these very interesting details we'll be talking about in today's video. Pretty much this entire video is going to be dedicated to those very important questions which you have. So watch this until the end. But before going on to those details, I just want to remind my subscribers out there that we currently have a massive giveaway, $10,000 you can win in crypto. All you have to do is be a subscriber on my channel. All the details regarding this will be in the description box below. Let's start off with a really big update, and that is, well, SEC thinks that they might not actually win this lawsuit. Well, if you have been following this lawsuit since the start of basically the end of 2020, you might know that at the start the likelihood of SEC winning was very strong, but as we have gone throughout these past many months, the case which Ripple has brought forward, well, they have been always having an advantage here, and it seems that SEC is starting to believe that as well. Well, we have a journalist from Fox which puts out, turns out even the staff at SEC aren't confident they will win the case against Ripple. A source close to the SEC tells me Hester Pierce has expressed privately she thinks that the SEC will not get the outcome it's looking for. Hester Pierce is one of the commissioners at the SEC and basically saying that, hey, they're not going to get the outcome which they're looking for, and the outcome which they're looking for in this case is going to be a massive fine which Ripple has to pay, probably a $1 billion plus. And if they are not going to be getting that, I think, well, Ripple and the SEC might be behind closed doors and trying to ink out a deal which might at the end of the day favor the end investor, basically the Ripple and XRP investor, by getting a pass to XRP, saying that, hey, finally XRP is officially not a security. Well, that is the ideal outcome for Ripple, but let's see what's going to happen next. Now let's move on to something which pretty much every single person wants to know, and that is, when is this lawsuit going to end? We have had many dates in the past, but none of them were kind of an official one. Well, this time we have an official confirmation from Ripple on when they expect this lawsuit to end, and the dates are between August 26th to November 18th. So these are the dates which Ripple is expecting that this lawsuit is going to end. Now, obviously, these are many months ahead into the future, but that does not mean that they can't settle anytime soon. Well, if according to the rumors are to be believed, well, there is a possibility that it has actually happened. Yes, you heard that right, it has actually happened. Well, we have this, it says, according to various sources, the lawsuit between Ripple and Securities and Exchange Commission SEC may be over. Allegedly, after more than a year of litigation, Ripple can now breathe a sigh of relief. Sources on the matter reported that the company and the SEC have reached a settlement agreement. One of the sources added that the official announcement about the deal will be made next week, which is absolutely crazy. Now, this thing I have been for a lot of my subscribers forwarded me this, saying that, hey, take a look, has it been official? Well, right now we have nothing official now, although there are rumors floating about, but that does not really mean that it has been confirmed. And according to them, it is going to be officially announced next week. So let's see what is going to happen next week. But personally, I think we might see it go all the way through. But again, especially in the last 24 hours, we have gotten this amazing news saying that, hey, there's a SEC themselves think that they are not going to be getting the outcome which they hope for, basically kind of saying that there's a very high chance that Ripple is actually going to win this lawsuit. While we're on the topic of winning, we recently had an article from Motley Fool basically saying that, hey, Ripple is very likely going to win this lawsuit. They put it, Ripple looks poised to win its lawsuit. The only question is how big of a win it will be. If it settles, it will likely pay less than the 1.3 billion plus interest the SEC wants. If it wins at trial, then it may go home paying out nothing. Either way, this is a good sign for XRP holders, as cryptocurrencies depend on continual development and support from the organizations that maintain them. So basically, with this op-ed also puts saying that, hey, the likelihood of Ripple winning this lawsuit is very high, basically saying that, hey, Ripple is going to win this lawsuit. Now obviously there is so much hopium here. Now we also have to look at the other side. Now although the likelihood of Ripple winning this lawsuit, it is very high, but we have to look at what kind of victory is this going to be. Is this going to be a victory in which basically Ripple pays a fine and XRP goes away free? What I said at the start, that XRP is not a security, that is a very important thing which XRP has to be. And if that turns out to be true, that means it will be one of the first and only recognized non-security cryptocurrencies in the world, well, at least according to the SEC and according to the US government, which would be a pretty big deal. And in fact, I don't need to tell you how big of a deal this is going to be for the price of XRP. The price of XRP is absolutely going to explode if that happens. But now the question is, when is that going to happen? And especially looking at the overall sentiment of the world of crypto, which is very, very important. If you're in a positive sentiment, if you're in the bull market, then the price of XRP is going to go crazy high. But if the overall crypto world is on a downturn, well, the price of XRP might not go as high as you expect. Well, let me know, what do you think about this in the comment section below, because I do love reading all your comments. Now let's talk a bit about the price. And I know the prices have not been looking that great. XRP is trading somewhere around 70 to 75 cents in the past couple of days, and the reason why we are in such a downturn is because of the overall world economy. Now this is not specifically related to XRP or specifically related to the world of crypto. This is a pretty much an overall thing, especially related to what's been happening within between Russia and Ukraine. That has had a massive impact on the world of stocks. And as you guys already know, that the world of stocks and basically the world of crypto, they are highly correlated, and this is why we are seeing this downturn. Now as expected, moving ahead in the future, we are still expected to do pretty good for this year. Having said this, I do want to remind you guys that if you are thinking about investing in the world of crypto, remember that it is highly volatile and you can be losing a lot of your money. So it is very important to only invest what you can afford to lose. Well guys, that was the video for today. Before ending, I do want to remind you guys of the massive giveaway, the $10,000 giveaway by MetaSend. All the details regarding this giveaway will be in the description box below, so go ahead and give it a try because it is absolutely free. Well guys, thank you for watching this video, and as always, I will see you next time.